I'm going to show you really quickly what you are going to need to make this. So I've got an onion. I'm going to dice it up. I've got it on a cutting board and ready to go. I've got 1 pound of ground turkey. You do not have to use ground turkey. It's just that if you've watched me for a while, you know that that is my go-to. I don't buy a lot of ground beef. I have some taco seasoning. This is just the taco seasoning from Aldi's, nothing special. I have some rotini noodles. These are the tricolored, but you don't have to use tricolored rotini noodles. It's just what I had on hand from Aldi's. And I always keep a couple extra boxes of this on hand because sometimes I like to whip up just a simple pasta salad during the summer months. And so I always have a couple boxes of this on hand. But I'm going to use it today in my cheesy taco dinner. Okay, so I've got some salsa here. This is the mild chunky salsa. You're going to need about a cup of this. And if you like your food spicier, of course use what you like. This is the medium, or the mild I should say, but if you want to use a hot salsa, by all means go ahead. I'm using a sharp cheddar cheese. Again, this is totally up to you. You can use a mild. You're just going to blend this in with all of your ingredients at the end, and I have this much sharp left and I'm just going to use it up while the bag is open. So the first thing I'm going to do, well, actually, the very first thing that I have done is start some water with a little bit of salt in it, and I'm going to bring that up to a boil, and I'm going to add my rotini noodles to that pot. And that's going to take about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the directions on your box, so double check that. Turn the heat on my pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my pan because ground turkey does not have hardly any oil, and I don't want it to stick to my pan. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my onion. And if you don't like onion, you don't need to add it, but we are onion family. My mother got me addicted to onions growing up. Her and I, we share the same onion finicky. We love onions. So you kind of want to just start cooking those. And I'm going to turn the heat down on my boiling water back here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my ground turkey. I'm going to add that to my skillet, just like so. And all we want to do at this point is just brown this ground turkey up along with the onion. And as soon as this gets browned, I will come back and I will show you what is next. Now that our taco meat here is brown, I'm going to turn the heat down on this. It's going pretty good. Hopefully you guys can see the food. So I'm going to add in a taco seasoning packet. I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of water. So a little bit of water, just so that you can get that taco seasoning packet incorporated in here really well. Then you want to add in about a cup of salsa. Opening up my jar here. I'm going to add in my salsa. I just eyeball it. And you want to stir that in. My pasta just got done. And all you want to do now is add your taco meat to your rotini noodles. Now, if you don't like rotini noodles, I have used elbow macaroni, and that works just fine. I've also used whole wheat pasta, So whatever, you know, that you like to use, of course. Now I'm just going to mix this together. Oh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to have a big bowl of this. Okay, now all I want to do is add in my cheese. And when you serve this, you can serve it with a little bit of sour cream and some chives if you like. Or, in my case, you're just going to eat it just like it is because it is super delicious. As is. But if you want to fancy it up a little bit, put a little bit of sour cream and some chives on the top. And you're good to go. So all your cheese will melt. I'm putting it in this big bowl. I could have left it in the pot and mixed it and then not dirtied up another bowl. But this one has a giant lid, and for filming reasons, I went ahead and filmed this way earlier than we're actually going to eat it. So we can rewarm this tonight and have this for supper. But I wanted to film it while the lighting was really good in here in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoy making this recipe. I don't share any recipes that I don't honestly make for my family on a regular basis. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye-bye, guys.